Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an often overlooked but absolutely essential accessory for anyone relying on their Elmo, MO-1 or MO-1W document camera, the GIZMAC AC/DC adapter. This particular adapter is specifically designed for the Elmo MO-1, MO-1W, 1337-1, and 1337-2 models, ensuring seamless compatibility and reliable power delivery. For educators, presenters, or anyone using these Elmo visual presenters, a consistent and stable power supply isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Imagine being in the middle of an important lesson or presentation, and your document camera suddenly loses power due to a faulty or incompatible adapter. That's where the GIZMAC adapter steps in, offering peace of mind and uninterrupted operation. One of the key aspects of this GIZMAC adapter is its precise engineering to match the power requirements of the specified Elmo models. It's not a generic one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it provides the exact voltage and amperage needed, which is crucial for the longevity and optimal performance of sensitive electronic equipment like a document camera. Users can be confident that their valuable Elmo device is receiving the correct power, protecting it from potential damage caused by incorrect power input. The build quality of the GIZMAC adapter also deserves a mention. While it might seem like a simple power brick, its construction feels robust and durable. This suggests it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether it's being moved between classrooms, offices, or simply staying plugged in for extended periods. The cables are typically designed to be sturdy, reducing the risk of fraying or short circuits that can plague lesser quality adapters. Furthermore, the GIZMAC AC/DC adapter is designed for straightforward plug-and-play functionality. There are no complicated setups or configurations required. Users simply connect it to their Elmo document camera and a power outlet, and they're ready to go. This ease of use is particularly beneficial in dynamic environments where quick setup and breakdown are often necessary. In essence, the GIZMAC AC/DC adapter for the Elmo MO-1 and MO-1W series is more than just a replacement power supply. It's an investment in the reliability and performance of a critical presentation tool. It ensures that the Elmo document camera remains powered, stable, and ready to perform whenever it's needed, allowing users to focus on their content rather than worrying about power issues. For anyone with these Elmo models, this adapter is an indispensable component for maintaining peak operational efficiency.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.